Are you interested in going to the murder mystery? If so, it's in the cafeteria at 7 p.m.
It's on October 7th and tickets cost $20.
Don't forget, tailgates are back after school during varsity football games on Fridays.
Various clubs will be selling foods and goodies, so make sure to get your spirit paint on and kick it with your friends before the game starts.
We'll be over by the stadium on Titan Lane.
The football team is looking for a student to videotape football games.
If you're interested, see Coach Moms or Coach Rodriguez.
Hey there, Titans! You want to know how you can win this awesome car? Then follow me. Much better. Now, Titans, if you're interested in winning some awesome prizes, Tomorrow's Leaders has a great thing for you. They've been tracking your GPA, attendance, and behavior. Underclassmen, you can win prizes such as scholarships and awesome electronics, as you should see around me on the screen. Now, upperclassmen, you have the chance to win that car I just showed you. GT students have taken that car home 2 years in a row. It's time we do it for a third year. Hope to see you there. Keep up that good attendance, GPA, and behavior. We'll see you then, Titans.
Hey guys, I'm Joanna.
And I'm Haley.
And we wanted to let you know that the blood drive is October 20th.
You have to be at least 15 years old and weigh at least 110 pounds. If you're under 18, then you need a permission slip. If you're over 18, you're good to go.
You can get your permission slips in room B202 or with your fellow Care Pathway members.
And remember,
Be great, donate.
GTHS now has a health and fitness club.
Attend the meetings on Monday in C357. If you have any questions, see Ms. Condon.
Hey students, there are new t-shirts that just came into the student store and they're only $10. Hurry up and buy yours now.
Well, that's all the news we have for you today, Titans.
Until next time, keep charging.